Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Senti, and today we are diving into something that has taken the skincare world by storm: skin cycling. It's an easy, beginner-friendly way to get glowing skin without overloading your face with too many products. And the best part, I will show you both chemical and natural product options so you can choose what works best for your skin and budget. So grab your notepad and let's glow together. What is skin cycling? Skin cycling is a skincare routine that spreads your treatment over a 4-day cycle. It was created by dermatologist Dr. Whitney Bowe, and it helps you get better results while avoiding skin irritation. Instead of using strong products every night, you give your skin time to rest and recover. Here's what a basic cycle looks like. Night 1, exfoliation. Night 2, retinol or vitamin A treatment. Night 3, recovery, moisturize and repair. Night 4, recovery again. Then you repeat the cycle. Let's begin with night 1, exfoliation night. This night is all about removing dead skin cells so your skin can absorb treatments better and look fresh. Option 1, chemical exfoliants. Use gentle exfoliants like glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Don't scrub too hard, let the acids do the work. Option 2, natural alternatives. If you prefer natural methods, try this: sugar plus honey scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon of sugar with honey, massage gently for 30 seconds, then rinse. Papaya enzyme mask. Mash a ripe papaya, apply to clean skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Papaya contains natural AHAs. Important tip: exfoliate at night and avoid the sun immediately after. Night 2, retinol night. Now let's move to night 2, retinol night. Option 1, retinols. Use retinol, vitamin A, adapalene if prescribed. This increases cell turnover and help with fine lines, acne and texture. Apply only a pea-sized amount to dry skin and always follow up with a moisturizer. Option 2, natural alternatives. If retinol is too strong or you want a natural glow up, rosehip oil, high in vitamin A, helps reduce scars and pigmentation. Bakuchiol, a gentle plant-based alternative to retinol, safe for sensitive skin. Avoid mixing retinol with vitamin C or exfoliant. Always do it on a separate night. Night 3 and 4, recovery nights. Night 3 and night 4 are your recovery nights. The goal here is to hydrate, repair, and calm the skin. Use products like moisturizers with ceramides or peptides, hyaluronic acid serum, simple non-fragrance moisturizers. Natural recovery options: aloe vera gel, soothes and hydrates. Shea butter deeply moisturizes and repairs the skin barrier. Cucumber plus glycerin mix, refreshing and soothing. Just blend cucumber juice and add a few drops of glycerin. Take this time to give your skin a break from active ingredients. Morning routine tips. No matter what part of your skin cycling journey you are on, your morning routine matters too. Here is a simple one to follow: gentle cleanser, hydrating moisturizer, SPF minimum SPF 30. Natural add-ons. Carrot seed oil and raspberry seed oil offer light SPF protection, but this should not replace sunscreen. Always use actual sunscreen for full protection. Final tips for beginners. Before you start skin cycling, here are some final tips. Always test new products. Start slow. Once a week is fine for beginners. Avoid using too many actives at once. Be consistent and patient. Your glow is coming. Whether you use store-bought products or natural alternatives, skin cycling is a gentle and effective way to build your skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this beginner's guide to skin cycling helps you build a routine that works. If you want a free skin cycling routine and natural product checklist, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and comment below which natural skincare ingredient is your favorite. See you in the next video. Bye.